First thing we're going to do is remove the wheel. In this case, I'm removing the wheel from the right hand side. So nut washer, it's a bit tight. Just have to tap that gently. I just gave the washer a gentle touch with the hammer. Pull it off. Now we can remove the wheel, but to do that you've got to remove the brake caliper. So it's just two bolts in there. They're M5 Allen keys. So once you remove that, you can then bring off the wheel itself. This one is brand new, so it makes it a bit hard. We might have to do a little bit of persuasion just to loosen it up. It's coming off. So be aware there's a key and a keyway in there. So there's the key. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the entire axle assembly about halfway out. So using our circlip pliers, these are actually the wrong ones. Just going to remove the inner circlip. And I need to go around to the other side. And you just move this. There's also a circlip in here. Okay, so we've got that circlip out. And we'll just slide it all the way over to the right hand side here. Okay, now what we want to do is rotate our axle around, and we want to release this Allen key, which is a M6. Normally the lock washers are not too tight. Oh, I'm going to have to release the lock washer on this one. It's a 13mm from memory. Quite often you can just overpower that little lock nut. Oh, still tight. Okay, now we've got it. You want to loosen that off so everything can slide. Now we're in a position where we can slide the entire axle away from, just zoom back out. We can slide the entire axle away from the rear frame. So, just going to tap it gently on the end. Just starting to move. Brand new, they can be pretty tight. If they're not brand new, they tend to slide a lot easier. Falling off our stand. Allow me to move across this one here. If I can grab it and turn it, we'll slide over as well. So I'm going to slide that right over for now, and we can continue pushing the axle out to the side. Once we've got it out far enough, we can then just slide the sprocket over and drop it out. Okay, I've got it about 3/4 out now. I've got Kelly to help me because this is not attached to a bike. It's able to move around. We'll just undo that last circlip over the little bump there, the circlip mounting point. And we'll just continue to tap this out. As I say, with a bike that's got any kilometres on it, they're usually pretty good. You can just push them in and out by hand. So I'm just going to continue. Okay, I've tapped the axle out. You can leave all of that just floating around. So you've got a bearing that normally won't come out. You've got a circlip which we'll remove. And then we can just slide that straight off. and that's what you need to replace. It's a reverse to put it back together. Put it in here, slide it over, circlip. Bearing shouldn't be there, so you can just now remove it off the bench. Just put it on its downside and just gently tap it on the ground, and the axle will come all the way back through, and job finished.